In this video, we will talk about Gothic style that we can use to design our kitchens. In structural terms, the Gothic architecture and Gothic style during the later Middle Ages, beginning about the 12th century into the 15th century, marked a major departure from what we had gone on before, as it has almost no roots in the design of classicism. This is one more reason why we will see those new elements incorporated in Gothic-based kitchen as well. Gothic style was based on a sophisticated understanding of the way in which a minimum of structure could carry a maximum of load and add height. Visually, the pointed arch most frequently characterizes the Gothic style. Gothic style, believed to have first emerged in France and then spread to the rest of Europe. The structures and motifs primarily derived from churches and castles of the Middle Ages, and Gothic period influenced the later architects and cabinet makers. Starting with the 18th century, Gothic style and architects developed a Gothic version of the Victorian design. Although this style had a limited influence on kitchen design in the United States at the time, the influence of Gothic style was felt in the last half of the 20th century with the postmodern interpretation. The Gothic style in its various forms is still a widely used design style in contemporary homes, especially in England, and includes kitchens and bathrooms. Generally, certain motifs are used to create the feeling of the design period, and elements used in kitchens are most often the Gothic arch and/or occasionally one of the foils, the trefoil or quatrefoil, primarily in cabinet doors, both solid and with glass fronts, moldings, and other millwork. Also, the Gothic arch is often seen in fixtures design, and especially is popular in England. Let's talk about the Gothic-inspired design elements. Cabinetry and millwork. The Gothic arch design is used primarily for cabinet doors and moldings, both with glass and solid fronts. The trefoil and quatrefoil, along with the line and fold motif, also are popular elements for cabinetry and millwork. Oak is the traditional wood, but others of a similar tone are used as well. Hardware and fixtures. Ironwork, some burnished silver and bronze, but also wooden knobs are used. Countertops. Countertops are made of marble, limestone, wood, ceramic tile, and slate, as well as laminates, solid surfacing, and engineered stone that simulates the natural materials. The floors. The common materials for the floors are any of the natural stones, ceramic tile that simulates any of the stones, and the wood planks. The walls. The walls usually use the wood paneling, and also the plaster is also common. Ceilings and lighting. Plaster with wood beams or coffers or solid carved wood paneling are common. Metal, iron or brass and glass lighting fixtures, including wall sconces featuring typical Gothic motifs, especially the Gothic arch and the trefoil design, usually are used. Colors. Neutrals are popular, especially wood tones and white. Rich versions of red, green, blue, and yellow are popular as accents. The representative motifs. The Gothic arch, the trefoil, the quatrefoil, line and fold, strap work carving, colored stained glass windows, and rose windows are popular. The fabrics. Tapestry weavings, leather, textured linens and cottons, and the velvet are usually used. Accents and accessories. Tapestries, pewter and silver halloware, iron and brushed brass metals are popular. The Gothic style influenced some of the styles of the 17th and 18th centuries. Some of those styles are the English and American country styles, the Victorian Gothic revival, and also the postmodern. We will talk about those styles in the next lessons.